In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access leaderboards on chess.com. If you've ever wondered where you stand, either against the world or just within your circle of friends, the leaderboards on chess.com make it easy to find out. Let's start from the home menu. From there, head to your play page. This is the same page where you begin games of Blitz, Bullet, or Rapid. Once you're on the play page, you'll typically see your current rank displayed, which gives you a quick snapshot of how your rating compares within that game type. It's a great place to check right after a game, since ratings can change quickly. On the right-hand side of the play page, look for the leaderboard link in the panel. Click that link to open a dedicated view of rankings. Here you can switch between global leaderboards and your friends-only view, which is perfect if you want a friendly competition within your own chess circle. You can also choose the specific game type you care about: Blitz, Bullet, or Rapid. If you're new to these formats, Bullet is ultra fast, typically 1 minute per side. Blitz is a bit more relaxed, commonly 3 to 5 minutes, and Rapid gives you more time to think, often 10 minutes or longer. Selecting the right category makes sure you're seeing rankings that match the time control you actually play. You're not limited to the play page, though. If you want a broader overview or you prefer going straight to the source, open your browser and go directly to http://www.chess.com/leaderboard. This page gathers the overall leaderboards in one place and also includes tournament rankings. It's useful if you're tracking standings across multiple formats or if you're following a specific event and want to see how participants stack up in real time. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you're signed in to see your personal placement among friends and give the page a quick refresh after a game if your rating has changed. If you don't see the leaderboard link on the right panel, scroll a bit or widen your browser window. Layouts can shift slightly depending on screen size. And remember, leaderboards reflect your rating in each time control separately, so your Blitz rank may be very different from your Rapid rank. That's all you need to find and understand leaderboards on chess.com. Check your play page for your rank, use the leaderboard link on the right to dive deeper, or go straight to chess.com leaderboard for overall and tournament standings.